morning, everyone. In behalf of Incredible Alliance International, my name is Christine Ibanez. Today, I will show you how to earn 7 hits account in Nigeria. Before I start my presentation, let me ask you, do you want to maximize your income? Do you want to earn fast? If your answer is yes, then I will start my presentation. Okay guys, what is 7 hits account? Meaning, you want to maximize your income. Okay, the global package in Nigeria is 70,000 naira and you just multiply it into 7 and the capital will be 490,000 naira. And you will get the product worth of 511 and 910,000 plus the income of 78,000 naira. Now, I will show you how to earn in 90 days program in Nigeria. 1. If you're buying a 7 hits account, the position will be like this and you will get the income of 78,000 naira. Step 2. Get the 8 people that also invested a 7 hits account, same like you, and you will put them under your 7 hits account and you will get the income of 796,000 naira. Step 3. Here the very exciting part, my friend. Here, you just help your group to find people that also invested 7 hits account. The 8 people under you, they will also get 8 people that also invested 7 hits account. And you will get the income of 6.48 million naira. It's very exciting part, my friend. You have to be affectionate to becoming a millionaire. Investment is a lifetime. Now, find the person who will share this video to you and discuss the registration. God bless and happy business day.